Hi guys, welcome back. Today I've got some new products I want to try. These two new products were sent to me by my friend Sana, and they are from SeneGence. So she's sent me over a LashSense mascara, and I've heard so much about this product and what it's known to do. Their formula is to help your eyelashes grow. It's volume intense mascara. The other thing she sent me is this is their Makes Sense color correcting tinted moisturizer, so I'll be trying this out as well. This is in the color medium, and from what I know about this product is they have a few shades in the range, but you can match your color quite easily because it's self-adjusting. The formula kind of sets in with your skin tone. So why don't I go ahead and get started. It's going to be a very basic makeup today. I just mainly want to try out those two products, and it's going to be quite minimal because it is a tinted moisturizer, and you know I love tinted moisturizers. Yes, so let's get started. So I'm going to go right in with the tinted moisturizer. Give this a good shake. So if you're in a rush and you don't have that much time to play around with your makeup and you kind of just want to get it on and get on with your day, you can apply this with your hands as well. Sometimes I like to do that, but today I'm going to go in with a brush. And I've got a small Sephora. This is the Pro Mini Flawless Airbrush, so I'm just going to buff it in with this. So it's blending really nicely, and it's quite light. It's not like heavy. It feels like nothing on the skin. I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the NYX concealer. Can't Stop, Won't Stop, and that's in medium. I'm just going to blend that in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. Eyeshadow, sorry, what is this? Deluxe concealer brush. Not a buffing brush, it's a concealer brush. Skin is looking nice and glowy. That tinted moisturizer just kind of evened out my skin tone as well. It's nice and brightening. Alright, I'm skipping powder today. I'm not going to powder my face because it has been kind of dry, so I'm going to leave it as this. I kind of like that dewy, glowy look. I'm going to move on to just a little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm using my Profusion palette. I'm just going to do something really natural. Here, it comes with a brush. I'm going to go in with this color Outgoing right here. I'm gonna deepen it up with a warmer brown color right here. just to add a bit of shimmer, I'm going to go in with this color right here, and this is called Excited. The last color I used was called Outspoken, and this one is Excited. So I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm going to use the other end of this brush and go in with that warm brown Outspoken from the Profusion palette and just apply it to the bottom waterline. I'm going to add this color right here. It's called Likeable, and it's a nice highlight shade. It's a matte color, so I'm gonna just applying that with my fingers. Alright, we're going for a quick and effortless makeup look, making it as easy as possible for you guys. I'm gonna go in with my Avon favorite eyeliner, and this is Blackest Black. Going to outline the outer corners. And I've just applied eyeliner to the bottom waterline, and I've only gone like halfway. Now onto the mascara, and I've got that right there. It's the Volume Intense one, and I think this is non-waterproof. Whoa, look at the lashes, guys. Instant volume. Just like that. Yeah, so far so good. Alright, since I've got my highlighter palette, this is the NARS High Voltage. Using another Real Techniques brush. This is the Angle highlighter brush. I'm going to go in with the middle shade. And this one is called Fort de France. Just realized I forgot to apply blush and bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics Your Most Beautiful. This is the Laugh, Love, Live palette. And the palette looks like this. So you've got your bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I'm gonna do bronzer and blush from here. I'm gonna use the Real Techniques contour brush gonna bronze up the face. And going in with the blush. There we go. That's the face completed. So far looking nice and glowy. And finally the lips. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX lipstick. This is the matte lipstick. Show you the color. And Whipped Caviar. It's a nice plum, muted plum color. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner first. This is in the Iconic Nude. So use that just to outline the lips. And then I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury's lip liner in, this is called, so these are the Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner Bond Girl, and I'm just going to use that to contour. And that is the completed look, guys. That is the new SeneGence color correcting tinted moisturizer. So I'm trying that out for the first time. I will let you know on my thoughts on the product, and as well as the mascara, the Volume Intense mascara. Yeah, so this is the completed look. Nice and glowy, natural. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Ring the bell so you're notified of every time I upload a video. And let me know in the comment section on what you thought of this look. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.